everyone. In this video we will see that how we can run automation workflow for sending emails to the leads email IDs. So to create a workflow, go to miscellaneous. Under miscellaneous, click on a workflow, click on new, enter the name of a workflow, select the module on which you want to run the workflow. Let's take for a lead. Event based and time based means when on what conditions workflow should run. Let's take for time based for now. Select the date and time for the workflow to run. Go to next. Click on add condition. Then go to add rules. Here you need to add the rules on basis of what workflow should run. I want to run the email, so I'll select a lead phase email has any kind of a value, then another rule, and the lead created date is in last 30 days. So now under these rules, what will happen? A workflow will run and so send only email to those email IDs on for leads which has been created in last 30 days. Once you add the rules, go to the add actions, click on add email alert. Here select the leads, so it will pick up the lead email field here. Enter the subject line you want to add. Here enter whatever text you want to add and run, and then click on save and then again save it. So now this particular workflow has been created. As we have created this workflow to run on 18 Feb, we need to click on a run scheduler and click on yes. Now on February 18 at 12:39 a.m. this workflow will execute automatically, and to make it stop, click here on a stop scheduler. In case you want to run the workflow instantly, click on hamburger icon and click on run now. In this scenario, the workflow will run instantly. And to check the history, you will find the history of any workflow, whether what is the status, whether it has run or it has failed. It will show up